Welcome back to our YouTube series on the Atlassian suite of products. Today, we are diving deep into Confluence, Atlassian's powerful collaboration and documentation tool. Confluence is a versatile platform for creating and organizing content, including documents, meeting notes, project plans, and more. It is collaborative by nature, where team members can work together in real time to contribute and editing the content. Confluence is designed to help teams create, organize, share knowledge seamlessly. So today we will focus on how do we get started with the Confluence and creating a one space. In our tomorrow's session, we shall explore a bit of a Confluence too. Now, once you click on www.atlassian.com website, or once you search for Atlassian website, click on products. Click on View All Products. If you scroll down under Collaborate, you find two options, Confluence and Trello. So our focus is on Confluence tool for today. I will share these links on the video description so that you can try your hands on and explore based on your business need, user requirement, use case. All right. So we are on the landing page of the Confluence on the official Atlassian website. So there are some key features we need to make a note or focus on before we click on get it for free or get started with. If you click on features section, so what Confluence can do, what it is capable of, what kind of features or what kind of use cases it can address are listed on this features section. So you have a free plan and what are the list of features available. For the standard plans, what are the list of features available? Similarly for the premium and enterprise plans. If you want to study on the Confluence, the features, various options available in templates, if you click on the resource tab, it will guide you, it will provide you the product guide, the documentation aspects, you know, and yeah, some screenshots to give an overview of how the Confluence will look. There's one feature, the important feature and the most loved feature of Confluence is the pre-built templates. There are different categories. You can explore templates which are pre-built and they're ready to use, which is a plug and play. If you click on templates, if you scroll down, you can find a list of categories where you can use the template and choose a template. Yeah. Now click on pricing aspects. Again, focus is required on the pricing before you get your free trial or instance. One good thing is Atlassian will never ask for a credit card, so you are worry free of any recurring payments or automatic deductions, etc. But if you are choosing for a higher plans like which are paid plans, yeah, you need to exercise caution as you need to make a note of when the deduction happens from your bank account. So for your free trial, if you want to know the features again along with the resources section, you can also look at the pricing and compare the features between different tiers and the plans. Now, this is the user or pricing calculator for 1 to 10 users. It's free of cost. If it's more than 10 users, the the moment you select the team size, the plan is automatically selected for your information and reference. So let's go with one user. So it's always free, as I mentioned. Now, you there are two options to start get started with Confluence. On this free plan, you can click on Get It Now, or on the top right corner, you have Get It for free. You can choose any of these. So I would say, please go to the plan specified plan and click on Get It Now. It will ask for a sign in or create your account either using the Google or with your own personal email address. You choose Google, you can select the Google account which is already existing. Parallel, if you want to sign up with your personal email address based on your service provider like Google or Apple or Microsoft, right? Click on sign up with work email. enter your full name and your work email and click on agree. It will ask you to read the terms and conditions before you officially sign up. And you see here, there's no credit card required, which is a good thing for everyone else. So the moment you click on work email and enter your full name and details, you will be landing on the official Confluence page. Let's discuss that a bit in a minute while the page loads with my email address and my instance. I will reshare my screen. Give me a minute. Thank you for your time. We have I have created my own personal instance, and this is my login page or landing page. On the right side, if you look at the spaces, we have an option called create a space. Let's click on this. The moment we click on space, it will ask you to choose a space type you want to create. Like these are built-in space similar to templates, plug and play. You can have a preview on the right side. If you click on team, this is how the team space looks. If you click on knowledge base, you need to identify how the layout is getting changed and what are the features or options that are available for this particular space type. If you choose project management, you have beautiful features and the types available, like the project plan is automatically created, decision documentation, status report. Get the most out of your space. These are some of the pages which are pre-built based on the space. So today let's go with, all right, let's go with the team, or let's go with project management. Click on next, and it will ask you to choose a name or provide a name for your space. Please remember, once we give the name, say project demo. Let's give a YouTube, because this is a YouTube series we are going on. And if we click on additional options, I would recommend clicking on additional options before you click on create your space. It asks for default permissions. So what are the two permissions are available? One is visible to me, which means it's not a public view, of course. And the other space is default permissions. So always choose default permissions for the best practices and announcements, and yeah, for recovery of the tool and the site. If you see here, identify the space with a key. Please remember, PD. P is for project and D is for demo. The first two letters of the space will be taken as a project key. The moment we click on create space, this name cannot be changed or it cannot be deleted. It will be a permanent instance. Now, if you look at my web URL, it says atlassian.net/wiki/home. Now, we are creating a space with the project demo. The moment we click on create space, please observe the web URL being updated with the PD, which is our personal space. It's loading, it's loaded. Now, if you observed, it shows wiki/spaces/pd/overview. Now, this is a permanent URL. Once you create a space, that is permanent. Until, as long as it is alive or even it's archived, this name cannot be taken by anyone or any other instance. Now, we have chosen the project management as a space, and if you scroll down, you see the team template, which is pre-built and which is pre-populated with features already loaded. And yes, so these are some of the pre-built details where you can define your problem statement. You can mention your scope of the project. You can provide the timelines. You can also choose the milestones and deadlines. If you click on a decision documented content or the space, it will have the pre-built details, like you can load the data, you can give the background details of the project, what are the options, the pros and cons, action items, outcomes, etc. If you observe keenly, you see like this how much time it may take. We hardly took 3 minutes of time to create our own instance, our own space, and we already have the templates which are readily available. Instead of building from the scratch, you have chosen a template based on your space, and the details are readily available. So you can choose a status, you can provide the impact, and you can fill some of the details which are commonly seen in the project management plan. Now, yeah, click on overview. The page is loading. Well, so it provides us the space name we have created. You can choose to change the background or the picture to reflect your project or organization or your the page design. You can add your team members. You can list the key project deliverable and the timelines and release plans. In one shot, you will have the helpful links like whom to contact, what are the important page links. This overview gives the gist of some of the critical content that is available on your space which you created. And if you want to explore more, click on the top. You have this question mark, which is a helpful section. You can click on this and you can read helpful articles. You can go to the Atlassian official community portal to ask the questions, to read helpful articles, to see the different questions and use cases being posted by the end users across organizations. If you click on what's new, the Confluence will come up with the latest updates, security patches, and etc. details, which you can view under this what's new section. So it's taking you to the official conference resource documentation page where it will show you the dates on which the available feature is updated or released into the market. And you can click on read more to go and see the changes that have been made on this July 17th to July 24th week. So heading back to a Confluence site, you can provide your valuable feedback. You can choose the keyboard shortcuts. You have a Confluence mobile app, both on Android and iOS. You can choose. You can see the site status, whether the site is up and running, or are there any activities happening, is there any downtime on the Confluence, so which you can plan, your deliverables and meetings and field builder. We shall explore some of these features in the upcoming days, but for now, let's focus on this project demo YouTube channel. So we have started on official website Atlassian.com software. We have gone through the products, chosen a Confluence. We have started our free trial by giving the work email address or through your Gmail address, and you have landed on the Confluence page. We have created a page, a space, not a page, a space, and we have chosen a pre-built template, which is project management for our reference and further deep dive into. We have seen the helpful section, and we spotted what are the new features when the new features or updates are being made or rolled out on the Confluence. Also, like there's a section for the for exploring keyboard shortcuts and giving feedback. So this is for today. Let's come back tomorrow. Let's deep dive on the space